welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm bringing you another DIY project. I just could not give up that hula hoop centerpiece without doing one other variation for you guys. And this one I'm using a lot of florals. So if you're interested in seeing how I construct this particular centerpiece, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Let's hop into it. So for today's DIY project, if you've been following along on my channel, you know that I started out with a single hula hoop centerpiece and then I added a double, which you can see here. And so today I'm just going to use that as my base and starting point. So if you missed that video, I will be sure to link them up above in the upper right hand corner, and I'll also drop the links in the description box so you can take a look at the steps on how to create the overall base for the centerpiece. And so today all I'm doing is I'm just going to add these hydrangea, these long string hydrangeas to it with some zip ties. That's pretty much it. Super simple, super easy. And I purchased these hydrangeas from AliExpress. Once you have all your florals in the place that you want them, the last thing to do is just cut the excess zip tie off, and I'm just using some wire cutters to do that. All right, let me know what you guys think of this DIY project. It's super easy. I think it is very elegant. I could certainly see this at a wedding, at a bridal shower, even possibly those really formal baby showers. But for sure a wedding or any type of like really formal event and gathering. And like I said, it's definitely easy to do and very affordable. So let me know what you guys think of this DIY project down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Thanks for watching.